So guys, hello. I'm Blueberry and I'm Jake. And we are friendship. So guys, malalaro naman kami ng gold.
And it's music time. What song would you like to sing, Raha? I love that song too. Let's pretend we're in a field.
I'm so tired. Are you tired? See the bubbles
Guys, naglaro pala kami ng school teamwork. Kung gusto niyo maglaro ito, guys, laro na kayo Let's go! Ang kasama namin oh shh! Dito pala guys hindi ako paano? Si Jake paano? Yan siya. Let's go! Let's go, baby! Okay, let's go. Let's go. That's so close.
How many friends do you see? Let's count them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Tara na.
There are 5 friends. Good job.
Wow, that was so much fun.
Oh, sorry.
And dancing with my friend Raha. Hey,
Let's go.
let's learn about friendship and have love, ladies. There's so many
Tara na,
nice friends
guys.
and activities we can meet
Kung gusto
today.
niyo maglaro nito, comment na kayo
Have you ever had a friend over the day? What activities do you like to do?
Ay, nagkamali pala.
Wonderful.
Ay, buddy. Oh, I died.
Hi. I'm
Help!
What is a friend? A friend
Thank
is
you,
someone
Blueberry.
you
We're
like
friendship.
to. Here's
And you
Susan.
go first.
Thank you, Miss Rachel. You're welcome. A friend is someone to have fun with and celebrate.
Hello, let's go.
Happy birthday!
God,
Thank you. Do you want me to put a hat on you? Sure. Thank you so much. Oh no, I dropped my cake.
Tara, tara, tara.
Oh, how do you think Miss Caitlin's doing? She looks
Yan tuloy, namatay.
Miss Caitlin, you look sad. Can I help? That would be
Ikaw
great.
kasi.
Thank you.
Yan tuloy, hindi mo
What if
siya
we
pa.
clean up your cake and I get you another piece? Oh, that's a great
Tulungan
idea.
natin ang friendship natin, oh.
Friends are
Oh,
wonderful.
Buddy, help.
Hi, Herbie.
Can you speak another language?
Help.
Yeah, what did it say you?
Ah, nandito na pala eh.
And hello is hola.
Hola. Did I do that right?
Ta.
Yes,
How do you say friend in Spanish?
amigo.
Oh, amigo. What color is that friend's
Wait lang guys.
I cannot.
sleeping.
Tag later. Oh, let's play hide and seek. Raha, you hide and we'll count.
Tulog na ba?
Where she's supposed to hide. Let's count together. One,
Sorry guys ha.
2, 3, 4.
Tulungan mo naman kasi.
Ready or not?
Ano?
Here I go.
Yung akin.
Is she in the tree? Oh. No.
Nasaan na ba yun?
Is she in the ground?
Somebody help. I can't jump.
Where should we look? Is she behind the bush?
Patulong naman kami kasi nandito lang pala eh. Bakit wala kayo nagsasalita? Nandito lang pala eh. Sorry guys kung kapag nagkamali si Blueberry. I'm die again. I'm here na, Blueberry. Tara na.
Hi, I'm Miss
Tara
Alexa.
na.
What does a friend look like?
Blue na
Friends
naman.
look like all kinds of things and have many different colors of skin, like brown, peach. Our skin has so many
So,
beautiful
let's
colors.
go.
What skin color do you
Yeah,
have?
baby.
Your skin color is beautiful. Friends can use any
Blue
type of
naman.
clothing and have any type of hair. What type of hair do you have? I love my curly hair.
Ayla.
Friends don't have to be the same. When
Yeah,
we're different and special, it makes the
Dito
world
naman tayo na.
wonderful.
Tara na. Oh, kulay blue.
Hi, Brooklyn.
Ari. Red. Green. Orange.
Pink, orange.
Blue.
Orange. Do you like chicken? Do you like pickles? Do you like bananas? Do you like broccoli? Do you like avocados? Do you like cookies?
Kulay red na.
The only thing I don't like is broccoli ice cream.
Yeah, but you know what's really yummy? Pickle ice cream. Oh, that's yummy.
Tara na guys. Nakapasok na
Let's
kami.
sing a song about taking turns.
Pocket bell.
With your friends, but if you close by, you can have a turn again.
Tara na.
Hi, Fred. I'm Mr. CK. How do we treat our friends? Kind. You can be kind by sharing, turns, or just by words that serve. What's something nice?
Oh,
Let's see you of the town. Wow.
Sorry guys, kapag
I have to pretend
Guys, maghintay kayo muna ng 10 minutes, guys. 10
Do something,
minutes.
and you guess what I'm doing.
10 minutes muna, guys, ha.
Something to do.
Maghintay muna kayo kasi na AFK kami. Kaya wala kami
Ano na tsura mo na? Ha? Damo na na.
So much fun.
Ha?
Hey, let's pretend
Abel, damo na na. Ano naman? Ha? Ano na? Go.
Now let's pretend to pop the bubble. Get out your pincher finger. Yeah, this one. Let's pop the bubble. Let's pop more
Sorry guys, kapag na AFK kami. Wait lang ha. Ayan, ito na. Yung friend ko kasi.
Hi. How are you? Have you ever helped a friend? Nice.
Kasi yung blueberry kasi kumain pa.
Oh, I have a helper. Wait.
Can we try this?
Yeah, let's try this. That's great.
Green na te! Green sabi.
Sabi guys, kumain pa kasi ako. Wait muna. Green ulit.
I
Diyan na.
wonder what our mystery letter is. Can you help me figure it out? Thank you. Say open and the mystery box will open.
Sorry guys, kumain pa kasi ako. Sorry na sorry talaga.
We did it. It's opening.
Saan?
Wow, friends.
Hindi ako makadaan.
Other things.
Asan
Baka
na
sa
ba?
kabila.
And I shaped them new jingle. Your grown-up might use
Diyan
them.
tayo.
What are they?
Kabila talaga.
Yes.
Hindi to si ano Barry. Joke lang.
Nandiyan na siya.
Ah! Ito nga nilaro ko noon eh. Na nandito yung epal.
Nandiyan si teacher.
Yung epal yan be. Huwag ka maniwala sa kanya. Hala! Nakalimutan natin kumuha ng key.
Tara.
This animal
Wala, nandiyan siya.
has
Hala! Sinasundan niya ako.
it's a
Namatay ka?
sound is kind of
Kinuha mo yung Katie.
Halika na dito.
yes. Sound.
Nandiyan na siya.
Wow. What letter makes that?
Alis na ako, te.
Te, nandito si Te.
Ako si Red.
You got
Ako si Blue pala. Kasi Blueberry pala ako. Dati ako si Blue.
Tara.
and have it flip
Tungtong sa akin yung ulo.
Good job.
Ay, namatay.
Aba.
Maybe if we
Bumalik ako sa una, B.
really loud,
Ako din, Te.
animal will come
Blue
up and
ako.
start to pay. Try it with me.
Ay, ikaw kasi, Te.
Hindi kasi ito matapat sa ulo ko.
Oo nga, Isa. Yan man
We
talaga.
said it so loud that a huge
Halika na.
dollar came out.
Uy!
Buti.
Te, tara na, Te.
Nalaglag.
Dalian mo, Te. Kanina pa ako naghintay.
Tungtong muna ako sa ulo mo.
Dalian mo.
K stands for kindness.
Ay, yan kasi, Te.
Treat our friends with kindness.
Hindi ko kasi naapakan.
Ay, ka man
naman
nagsabi. Bakit wala kang sinabi?
How would you feel? If I were this friend, I would feel
Tara
sad.
na.
I feel left out. It's nice to treat people how we'd
Kita
like
ba?
to be treated.
Diyan ka.
Nandito.
If you were one of these friends, what could you do to help her feel
Saan
better?
ka, Te?
Diyan
Yes,
pala.
ask her to play.
Diyan ako pumunta
We
para
could say,
alam.
do you want to play with us? Look, she's
Kulay green,
smiling.
Te. Kulay
I think
orange,
she
Te.
feels happy now.
Woo, that's so close.
It's so
Blue, Te.
nice to include everyone.
Yan kasi.
Ako na lang mauna, be.
Yan kasi.
Saan ka?
Kanina pa ako.
Yes, what's that instrument called?
Kanina pa ako na
It reminds
Orange.
me of an instrument I know called the guitar.
Open dito. Pasok tayo dito.
Hold on one second.
Wait.
Orange.
Thank you.
Ang bagal mo, Te. Dalian mo nga.
Yan.
Green ulit.
Ikaw naman. Ako naman ulit mauna.
Ako lang.
Baka mahulog ka naman.
Ikaw kasi ang bagal mo tumapak. Dalian mo.
Wow. Can I hear some more? Yeah. Hold on.
Saan?
I'm in
Dito na.
Hindi dumadala. Please. Hulog tuloy.
Yan kasi.
Bumalik ako sa
Ayan mo.
una. Orange. Blue. Green. Green.
Green nga ni.
Orange.
Oh yeah.
Blue. Tara na.
That's so close.
Ako na mauna ba?
Ako na lang.
Ako!
Oh! Edi, wow.
And let's hop with that.
Ito talaga. Siya palagi.
Two,
Hindi marunong yan. Ako nga ni mauna eh.
4,
Bilisan!
5.
Oo nga.
The rose. So that
Green.
means the number of the day is 5. Good
Hindi siya
job.
blue.
Hey,
Ako naman.
can you help learn?
Dalian mo, Te.
Nagsasabi na ako kung anong color ah.
Oh.
Thank you.
Orange. Very good.
4,
Green. Aray.
Ah, yan tuloy. Malaglag.
3, 4,
Tara na.
5.
Ang tiyan ko.
3, 4, blah, 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 blah.
Ako muna. Ay! Muntik na yun ah. Red.
Kapag nalaglag ka, ako na. Ako na.
Orange.
I got it. I got it.
Wag ka munang lumakat ah. Ayan. Purple.
Wow, that's great. A friend can
Maghintay ka nga.
Red.
language or languages.
Ang layo, no? Maghintay ka lang.
Another language.
Blue.
It's nice
Blueberry.
and fun to learn how to say some things in a
Ikaw
language
naman.
that they know.
Dalian mo, Te.
Language or languages
Ah,
to use.
kita mo? Wala ka nang sasabing hindi dahil
To
yan.
be bilingual.
Ang layo pala no.
I'm here with two friends,
Tara na.
Lana and Nina.
Dana Inina.
Oh, nandyan na yung...
Fire! Tumalon ka talaga ang pisting yaw.
Hinawa ka, Te.
yawa, tumalon ka talaga. Buat may na ball spot mo.
Teacher yan.
Pisting yawa yan eh. Yawa yan. Pisting yawa yan. Pisting yawa na. Te, tulungan mo ko, te. Lapit ako mamatay. Yung kala mo, bida-bida ka.
Ba tayo ba dati?
Te, ako hirabol, te.
Ako na lang, te. Hintay ko na, te. Dami ko sa inyo.
Ako titira dito.
Te! Ang aming life, te.
Te, tulungan mo ko. May matalong pa pisting yawa na to. Yan, namatay ka tuloy. Pisting yawa ka. Yay! Yay! We are best friends.
Let's go! Nandito na ko, te. Sana tayo.
More po? Ako si teacher.
You stay open.
Ako si teacher.
Dito.
Paano mo? Click?
Open.
Ayun.
Yeah, bakit te akin?
Ewan ko. Tara. Ulit tayo. Ulit. Hindi ako makalakad. Tara, ulit tayo.
Saan tayo punta?
Dito, oh.
Isang lobby, te.
Teacher. Ito yung tumira sa kanila. Hi! Blueberry din to. Ako ba to?
So guys,
Ako to.
uy, tara, dito tayo.
Ikaw ba? Sana sa ano?
Nandito tayo, sige. Tayo na dito. Dito ka nga sa akin.
Stay forward.
So guys, dito na namin tatapusin.
Video, please like, share, and subscribe.
Thank you guys. Pag